Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf from Techdroids, and in today's video let's talk about the OnePlus 7. Now it's hardly been a few months since the OnePlus 6T came out, and the OnePlus 7 leaks have already started to surface on the web. And yeah, there have been pictures that have been leaked with, official OnePlus employees, the CEO himself, and anonymous phone in the background. Now people thought it was a Photoshop image and things like that, but I think it's real, but that's not the OnePlus 7. That might be the 5G smartphone that OnePlus is working on. But in today's video, let's talk about the OnePlus 7. Now, in terms of the OnePlus 7, there should be a design overhaul and a feature overhaul. In terms of the design, you can see the water droplet notch might go away, and OnePlus can go for the cutout approach like Samsung and a few other companies are planning to. And the OnePlus 7 should also be one of the first phones in 2019 to have the Snapdragon 855. At the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 launch event, OnePlus said that they'll be the first company in 2019 to have the Snapdragon 855 in a smartphone, but that might be wrong because Samsung is already geared up to launch their Galaxy S10 in February, so maybe second or third, I guess. And yeah, if they want to be second, they have to launch the OnePlus 7 early, and in my opinion they can launch it in March or April so that they can be one of the first people to get the Snapdragon 855. And as I said, in terms of displays, they can go for the cutout approach. They might have triple cameras on the back. There can be an increase in the battery size. They can also go up to the next level of charging, and yeah, there can be so many things that can be done in the OnePlus 7. And yeah, the leaks that have been surfacing right now on the web with the images and stuff, I don't think that's the OnePlus 7. And yeah, that just might be a marketing trick from OnePlus, or it might be the 5G smartphone that they're working on. This phone might just be a prototype of the OnePlus 7. OnePlus likes to make a lot of prototypes and designs when they're working on a new phone, and this might just be one of those. You can check out some of the prototypes for the OnePlus 6T that OnePlus made, and there's a whole lot. So the phone in this image might just be another prototype for the OnePlus 7 or their 5G smartphone, as I'm saying many times in this video. OnePlus is working on a 5G smartphone for 2019, and yeah, they're working on an affordable one. And that's about it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the OnePlus 7? Would you buy it if it looks something like this? What are the features you're expecting? And anything you want to talk about in the comments down below, and I'll be replying to you guys. So with that being said, hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.